Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can make Reels on Instagram. This video is for the new user who have just started using Instagram and don't know how you can make Reels. So let's get started. To make Reels, first open Instagram. Now here you will find a plus icon on top towards the right side of your screen. Click here, then slide left to Reel option to make Reel. You can also go to Reel by first clicking on your profile and then clicking on plus icon and then click on Reel option. You can go to Reel by using these two options. Now to make Reel, here are some options provided to you. You can choose length of your Reel according to you, depending on how long Reel video you want to make. You can choose effects for your video. Here are some effects which you can use, or use the search option if you want to search some specific filter for your video. Now, the most important part of your video is audio. Click on audio to select the audio for your Reel. Here you can find some trending audios which you can use in your videos to get more views, or you can use search option to find any songs for your video. Click on anyone to add in your Reel and then click on confirm. Now you're ready to make your Reel. Click here to record. This is the first method through which you can make your Reel. Now let's see the second method. Second method is through Reels, so first go to Reels. Here you will find all Reels made by the user. You can scroll down to see all Reels. So while scrolling, if you like some Reel or an audio and you want to make a Reel on that audio, so to do that, click on the audio. Here you will find all the user who have made Reel on that audio. You can scroll down and watch all Reels, but we want to make Reel on this audio, so to do that, click on use audio. Now you have directly entered to Reel and the audio has been applied, so now you can make a Reel on this audio. If you don't have time to make a Reel on this audio, so what you can do is go back and click on save audio. Now your audio has been saved. So now when you have time or ready to make a video, you just have to go to Reel by any option I have told earlier. Now click on audio. Here you will find saved option. Click on it and here you will find your saved audio. Click on the audio and then click on confirm, and now you are ready to make your Reel. Choose length and effect if you need, and then just click here to record. Now let's see the third method through which you can make your Reel. Now to make Reel through that option, you have to go to Reel option by clicking on your profile and not from your home. Now click on plus icon and go to Reel. Now here you will find template option after Reel. Click on it. Now here are some templates which you can use to make your Reel. To use, click on use template and then click on add media, and now you just have to choose your photos and videos and your Reel will be ready to share. This is a new feature from Instagram, so maybe some users may not find this template option in their Reel. So these are the all methods through which you can make your Reel. Don't forget to like this video if this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.